Welcome to this video on the career path of chefs and head cooks. We'll explore the core skills required, the daily realities of leading a kitchen, and the various paths you can take to build a successful culinary career. Being a chef or head cook is about more than just cooking. You are the engine behind the scenes, managing the daily flow of food, the kitchen staff, and the overall pace of service across restaurants, hotels, and other dining venues. A chef's core mission extends far beyond the stove. They are responsible for planning menus, developing and testing recipes, setting quality standards, and ensuring every single plate meets expectations service after service. Much of a chef's work happens behind the scenes. This includes essential tasks like managing ingredient inventory to control food costs, inspecting supplies for quality, and ensuring the equipment and workspace meet all health and sanitation codes. Leadership in the kitchen happens in real time. During a busy service, a chef acts like a conductor, directing the team, resolving quality issues instantly, and coaching junior staff while the pressure is at its peak. The kitchen is a demanding, fast-paced stage. It often operates during holidays and weekends when others are celebrating. It is a hectic environment that requires passion and the ability to thrive in unpredictable conditions. Success on the line requires a specific set of skills: sensory precision for quality control, creative vision for menu design, operational discipline for time and resource management, and clear communication to lead the team. Let's look at the numbers. As of 2024, the median annual pay for chefs and head cooks is $60,990, which breaks down to about $29.32 per hour. These figures represent the reality of the profession across various roles. Compensation can vary widely based on your location, the type of establishment, and your level of experience. While entry-level roles start lower, high-end fine dining or private chef positions can offer significantly higher pay. The work environment is demanding. Full-time work is standard, and many chefs regularly exceed 40 hours a week. The schedule is dictated by the needs of the guest, requiring availability during nights, weekends, and peak volume periods. Physical stamina is a professional necessity. You will spend long shifts, often 8 to 12 hours, on your feet in hot, confined environments. Prioritizing proper footwear and physical self-care is essential for a sustainable career. Maintaining standards is a non-stop requirement. Whether it is strict cleanliness, rigorous kitchen safety to prevent burns and cuts, or precise food safety and temperature monitoring, these practices protect both the guests and the establishment. How do you become a chef? While a high school diploma is typical, the path to this career is more flexible than many realize, often combining formal education with practical, on-the-job experience. There is no single magic path. You might choose formal culinary education, pursue a structured apprenticeship, or work your way up from entry-level kitchen positions. The right choice depends on your personal timeline and learning style. Culinary programs offer formal training ranging from certificates to bachelor's degrees. These programs typically last 1 to 4 years, blending hands-on technical training with the business fundamentals needed to succeed in the industry. Route B involves apprenticeships and mentorship. These programs, often through groups like the American Culinary Federation, combine classroom instruction with paid, hands-on training. It's an effective way to earn a wage while learning directly from experienced chefs. Beyond just following recipes, your training will cover essential professional foundations. This includes earning food safety certifications, mastering fundamental knife skills, and learning the safe operation of specialized commercial kitchen equipment. Most working chefs begin their journey as line or prep cooks. Advancement is earned over time by mastering every station in the kitchen, demonstrating consistent reliability, and gaining the trust of your supervisors. Moving from cook to chef is about more than just culinary skill. It's about taking ownership. As you climb the ladder, your daily responsibilities shift toward leadership, menu development, budgeting, and team management. As you transition to a decision maker, your scope expands to the entire kitchen. You'll oversee daily preparation, maintain quality standards in real time, and handle important operational duties like staff scheduling and development. A head chef holds full kitchen responsibility. This includes the creative work of menu design, the financial responsibility of managing labor and food costs, and the professional task of maintaining strong relationships with suppliers. The sous chef acts as the second in command and the operational backbone of the kitchen. They typically report to the head chef and manage the day-to-day execution, including running service and supporting the kitchen staff. Station chefs, or chefs de partie, own a specific zone, such as the grill, sauté, or pastry station. This role is where you develop deep technical mastery and gain your first experience managing a smaller team. The timeline to become a head chef is typically 6 to 10 years. While the path varies, you can often accelerate your progress by pursuing formal training, seeking diverse experience, and proactively building mentorship relationships. The career market for chefs is growing. Employment for chefs and head cooks is projected to grow 7% through 2034, which is faster than the national average, indicating strong opportunities for those entering leadership. Looking at the numbers, we expect about 24,400 annual job openings through 2034. These opportunities include both new roles created by industry growth and thousands of positions opening due to the need for experienced professionals. Why are there so many openings? Many arise because experienced chefs are retiring. This turnover, combined with the expansion of the food service sector, creates a consistent, high demand for skilled culinary talent. This is a substantial field, with over 197,000 chefs and head cooks currently employed in the United States. It remains a major profession with significant scale and clear career pathways. Today's kitchens are modern environments that require more than just culinary talent. Data, technology, and digital management systems now play a critical role in how the best kitchens operate and how you advance your career. Finally, be aware of the technology barrier. Automated hiring systems often screen resumes before a human sees them. To succeed, use standard industry terminology and highlight your operational metrics to ensure your application gets noticed. Getting past automated screening requires a deliberate resume strategy. First, quantify your impact by including numbers like food cost percentages and labor costs. Second, use exact titles for your certifications. Third, use simple, single-column layouts to ensure the system can parse your information. The modern chef's toolkit has evolved. Beyond your knives, you now need proficiency in digital inventory and POS platforms like Toast or Aloha. Understanding data-driven margin analysis is essential, and you should be aware that even initial hiring is increasingly handled by conversational AI. Looking ahead to 2034, the industry will reward chefs who can successfully blend deep culinary craft with business literacy and digital fluency. Those who commit to evolving with these industry changes will be the ones who lead the profession. The outlook remains strong. We expect 14,000 new net positions by 2034, with an additional 24,400 annual openings due to industry turnover. This growth is driven largely by a lasting consumer shift toward fresh, scratch-made, and health-conscious dining experiences. Own your culinary future by mastering the hybrid skill set of craft and commerce. Build a documented career narrative that showcases your achievements in a way modern employers understand. The industry is waiting. The time to step forward and lead is now. This program was brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team as part of the Career Path series.